Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. Now today's video is actually a DIY makeover. We're doing a little bit of home renovations and upscaling today. Now if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get this video started. And to you guys, this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Accents. Now, Accents is a global home safety brand with self-designed and produced products. And I am actually going to be promoting this wireless doorbell today, you guys. And my package came like this, and the doorbell is inside of this box. I am going to install this, and I'm going to show you that here shortly. Now this second doorbell, you guys, is for a giveaway. Now to be entered into the giveaway, you guys, I need you to drop the comment, let it ring, and also make sure that you go over to the Glam Queen of Decor and watch that latest video that is on that channel as well. And in that video, I need you to put in the comment section, enter me in the giveaway, or just put giveaway, you guys. But you do need to drop me a comment here and also watch that video and put giveaway. Also tell me what was your favorite thing in that video as well. And we're going to be doing that giveaway, you guys, within the next 7 days. You're right. You heard that right, guys. 7 days. Now, here's the transmitter and the doorbell. You guys, now this transmitter actually plugs into the wall. This is a very, very simple and easy doorbell to use and install. And here's the actual doorbell itself. And you guys, I'm going to show you how I installed it, but please make sure you do enter that giveaway. And thank you, Sean, for reaching out to me. Now, Accents actually does sell on Amazon. That link and that information is in the description box. Please make sure you enter the giveaway. And on Amazon, it is the Inventec store. Now, my doorbell, I had already taken it loose. We're going to pull it out, and I'm going to set it up just that quickly, you guys. So now the doorbell is set up, and when you hit it, you guys, you see it lights up. This wireless doorbell comes with a total of 52 different features, or 52 different chimes, and I have it here in my living room. You guys, this doorbell is loud enough to be heard very distinctly throughout the whole entire house. You can hear it in the back of the house with the door shut, fan going, TV playing. So you will not miss somebody ringing your doorbell with this wireless doorbell. So please make sure you check them out. Now we're jumping right into the video. Now for today's video, I'm showing you my cabinets. You know that we did upgrade the kitchen probably about a year ago, just about, and a little over a year ago, you guys. But we're finna change it again. I'm finna get rid of the gray. This gray has a lot of blue tones in it, and we're going for a solid white cabinets. We're going to be doing some more makeovers coming up here in the very, very near future, you guys. I got some companies coming through sponsorships that you'll be getting. So I'm starting the process now. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint these cabinets. And you will be expecting to see home renovations and home types of makeovers coming in the next couple of weeks, you guys, for our Saturday morning video. So you'll be getting to see the minor changes, whether it's actually structure wise, you guys, and I'll also be making over furniture decor pieces as well. All right, now enough talking, let's get these cabinets done. And you guys, please stay tuned, because you're gonna see we're gonna do something other than the cabinets as well.
Just jump and fall, no matter how much pain.
You guys, you see I did my rough coat. Normally I don't do my initial rough coat this rough. I'm actually crunched for time, so I have to get this on quickly so that I can start the rest of the process, because I got several projects to get done within a 2-day time frame, so I have to hurry up and do this. But when I come back, you will see that I will be then finished up this rough coat, which is my initial coat. Normally I like to do thick coverage with each coat, and I actually had cheap sponges. You guys, always invest in you good sponges, because this is not helping me any. But we're gonna let this start dry. We're gonna let this dry. We're gonna come back, and what I'm gonna do on the end, because I am taking the handles off for right now. We're not going to change them. I'm actually just going to paint the handles, but I'm going to get my initial coat. I got to get some power to some of my electrical stuff, and we're going to come back and we're going to do this probably in a total of 2 to 3 different more stages. This is what's going on. I'm up to some shenanigans again today. I've organized my cabinets, and now we're doing another update. Make sure you stay tuned to catch out the video to see what we're going to turn this kitchen into. If you would like to collab with me, Glam Queen of DIY, for this 2022 year, email me at GlamQueenofDIY@gmail.com, and that email link is in the description box also. And please make sure you title your email YT 2022 collab. And also, family, that antique hutch, you know, I do not like the brown of the brown furniture with the orange look. I have taken off my knobs, but we're finna to modernize this hutch. You guys, you know, that's what I'm doing. I know I have actually destroyed the value of it, and by doing this, but in order for me to actually keep it in my home, I needed to bring it modern. I was gonna play with it with a gold and a pearl, but I still decided to go with the white. And once you see the full home makeover and reveal, it's gonna actually make a whole lot of sense. But we're finna get this piece painted. Follow me along too, you guys. Please don't forget to make sure, if you want to be entered in that wireless doorbell giveaway, check out that link in my description box. Drop me a comment in the description box as well, so that you can be entered in that. You must still go over to the Glam Queen of Decor and check out that latest video. Make sure you do adhere to the instructions, you guys, on the last few giveaways. I'm having a lot of where you'll do one thing and not do all of the details. So please, to be entered, make sure you do complete the full details, and we will end this giveaway in 7 days, you guys. So I will actually be announcing the winner of that wireless doorbell giveaway next Saturday morning when we air the next video. And again, make sure you check us out on Saturday mornings, because that, well, for right now, we're going to be airing some of the renovations and makeovers for the home and furniture as well. All right, now let's get this hutch painted, guys.